recording, right?
Okay, it says recording.
Get a countdown.
Okay, there's Felix right there.
Hold on.
There's the rocket. Here's Jose. Tell us when you're ready, okay, Jose?
Sure.
And here I am. Hi guys. Hi.
Got it?
Okay, I'm watching the rocket. We're watching the rocket now.
3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Keep recording it.
Where'd it go? I can't see.
Keep going. It's like... I do not want to get hit by it. Just keep recording.
Where'd it go?
It'll come down eventually.
I'm looking at the sky and I can't see anything. That's not it.
That's not it. It'll come down.
Okay, here are the guys that lost their rocket.
Look at Jose. Hey. Look at Jose. Look at his Keep looking.
We're at McKinley right now.
Right there.
Oh, right there. Oh, look, Andrew found it.
It ended a long time ago, didn't it?
How do you feel, Jose?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll buy more.
Well, that was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. A UFO. Okay, I'm gonna pause it now. I'm gonna stop it.